welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I post on my channel Thursdays and Sundays, and I open my Allure beauty box once a month, and I love it. I do every month now, and it's something I'm looking forward to every month. If you've never heard of Allure beauty box, I'll leave more information in the description down below, but it is like a monthly beauty, that's why it says Allure beauty box, but it's great. I love it. It's wonderful. Let me open it up and show you what I got for February 2023. I'm excited. Ooh, here it is, wrapped up kind of cute like. We got some goodies in here. Let's see what I got. Nothing big, and I see something I think I already have, so let's just get to it. Oh, that's cute. Spring into beauty with these bundles. No matter where you are headed this season, we've got you covered. Must have. Save 50% off. And then here, Allure beauty box. This will tell me, ooh. Oh, I didn't see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will tell you a little bit about the box, what you got, a little bit about the items, how to use them, all this good stuff. So let's go through, ooh, one page at a time. Let's look at the first item that I didn't realize we had. It's from Tarte. It's the MANEATER mascara. The stuff is pretty good. Not amazing, not wow, pretty good. It retails for $25. And it says here, single coat makes you look like you naturally have really great lashes. The second turns up the drama without getting clumpy, and then the formula isn't waterproof, so it's a breeze to remove. But it still has longevity. I think I tried this once upon a time. I know I tried this because of the bristles that I see, like in the picture here. Pretty good. Helps like separate my thicker lashes when they want to be separated. So pretty cool. $25. The next, oh, that's so cute. That's, no. So this is from BELIF Beauty, or excuse me, just BELIF. It's the AQUA Balm Overnight Lip Mask. $22 for a 7-ounce. What are you? I thought this was a full size for a second. I was like, no way. Which, I mean, for a lip mask, this could be pretty full size because you don't need a lot. Anyway, so the full size is $22 for 0.7 ounces. And I did launch this under my desk. Let's see how big. I just want to see, like, actually how big the product is. Oh, it's still tiny. And even then, like, you think, oh, this is like a pretty decent size. No, it's like half of that because, like, look, that's still pretty big for a lip mask. But like this tiny little thing in this big old box. The box doesn't seem necessary, but cool. It says sample, not for sale. So cool. This is just a sample size, but still pretty nice. I like the brand, so that's good. Something new to try. This next item, it's from MUDMASKY. I think I have 2 of these already from other subscription boxes. It's a vitamin infused eye serum. $63 for, oh, this whole little doodle is $63, which is pretty big actually for an eye serum. Normally like an eye serum is like a quarter of this. So this is pretty good. It says use a clean finger. Gently tap a little serum under your eyes and over your temples. It's a light texture, wears well under concealer or foundation. Oh, okay, so I can do this all the time. Moisture boost, vitamin boost, beading, nourishing, firming. So maybe because I have a couple of these, I should start using them already. I don't know. Have you guys tried this? Is it good? Is it everything it says it is? The next item is from Melmile Organics Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. Retails $9.99 for 2 ounces. Is this it? Oh, cute. I think I got it. good bubble wrap. Wow. And in a little bag. Cool. Oh, this is pretty big actually. Just throwing that out there. Infused with biotin and encourages growth. I don't know why I try to make fancy words out of normal human words. Encourages growth. That's pretty cool. And you're 2 ounces, so this is $10. Or sorry, $9.99. Massage a few drops into your scalp. Run what's left over your hands over the ends of your hair to hide split ends. I'm probably going to use this. Not like I need any help with my hair and my scalp because this stuff grows like crazy for some ungodly reason. I swear, like every so often when I brush my hair, or pretty much every time I brush my hair, I always get like a clump of hair out every time for like as long as I can remember, probably like my whole life. And it just keeps growing. We're thick, we're long, and it's well taken care of, so meh. The next item is from Donis. Oh, I like this brand. It's a hand and body goat milk cream in milk and honey. Are you... Okay, so this is 1 ounce, but it says $12 for 3.3 ounces. So that's still okay. I like this brand. They make good products, especially like their lotions or creams. Squirt a little on the back of your hands. It comes out quickly. Arms, legs, wherever you need a little hydration. I'm probably going to. This stuff is pretty good. Milk and honey. I want to smell it, but I don't want to open it because then I'm going to want to use it. And I already have like a lot that I'm using. So, and then there's even more things in here. So here it is. There's more. Yes. There's an item from Coats. Flawless Complexion SPF 50 tinted. Okay. So this is like a tiny little sample size. The full size is 2.5 ounces for $27.50. This is 0.35 ounces. Now, when you say tinted what? Like Vanishing Zinc Oxide Mineral Sunscreen. Are you my color or like tinted how? It says apply a generous amount to your face 15 minutes before going out in the sun and be sure to reapply every 2 hours or after getting wet when you're outside. That's it. I don't want to open this in case it's not mine, but I kind of do at the same time. So, sealed. I'm going to be trying this because I'm like on a sunblock thing lately, so that's going to happen. Look for that in an upcoming video maybe. The last item is from Cetaphil. It's a deep hydration skin restoring water gel. Oh, it says in parentheses sponsor, so I guess you're the box's sponsor. Rub a small dollop over your face. It's great for all skin types because it's oil-free, won't clog pores, and it's safe for sensitive skin. $27.99 for 1.7 ounces, and this is 0.36 ounces. I don't think I have anything Cetaphil. I don't think I use Cetaphil. Maybe I should. Anywho, out of all of this, gonna use this, gonna use this, gonna use this. I might as well start using these because I have so many. Yeah, I want to try this out, and then gonna be using this, adding this to my mascara lineup because I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that are open in here that I'm rotating on a daily, and then 2 in my bathroom, 1 or 2 on my desk at work. I have a lot that I'm going through right now, okay? But, oh, last thing, because I'm playing with this. Also using this. This is pretty cool. This is why I get excited about my Allure beauty box. Because it's full of stuff I'm going to use. And then it tells me how to use it, or excuse me, how you'll use it, why you'll love it. I was going to say while you love it, why you'll love it. So it's all pretty cool stuff. I like it. Anyhoozle. I'm stalling, but that's my Allure beauty box. I loved it. Did you guys get the Allure beauty box this month? Did you decide to go for it? Are you hesitating? Is this not like one of the best beauty boxes out there? I'm gonna say yeah. I'm gonna say yeah, because look at all the stuff I got. Yes. Anyway, I'm gonna go because I have things to play with. I will catch you next time, and if you like this, there's like a whole Allure playlist now that I got going on because I've gotten so many of the boxes, and I'm going to continue getting the boxes. I love it. Thanks for hanging out. Bye!